Hi guys, today I wanted to show you 3 cool apps for this Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone, so let's go ahead and start. The first app that I was going to show to you today, guys, is called Notify Buddy. It basically allows you to set up custom LED light notifications, which will appear right on the top left corner of your screen, even when the screen is turned off. So let's go ahead and open this app. I also wanted to note real quick that all the apps that we are going to show you today, guys, they are free to download from the Play Store, so you can go ahead and download and install them. So basically, you gotta just open this app. The first time you'll open it, it will ask you to gain some permissions. So you just go ahead and enable those permissions. So here you can choose an app that you want to set up the LED notifications for. I'll just go ahead and set them up for, let's say, Google Drive, just like that. And you can also play around with some settings. So for example, you can either pick the color for this LED light notification. I'll just leave it green, I like it. And basically you would be also able to choose the shape of this LED light notifications, but it only allowed to the people who bought the premium version of it. So the basic version is free, but the premium version costs some money. So for the free use, there is only this shape allowed, which is a circle. On the second tab, you have not only apps, but some system commands, which you can set up as LED notifications as well. The third app has pretty much the list of apps that you have already set the LED notifications for. So in my case, it's Drive, Gmail, and YouTube Music. And the final app is called Settings, and you can just configure some features or some values for your LED notifications. For example, stop timer, start delays, or I don't know, anything else you can see and you can find in here. And also please note that some of the settings are only available in the premium version, but mostly the settings are available to the free version as well. You can just press on this button to see what LED notifications you will receive, just to test them out. I'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see on the top left corner of your screen, there is an example of the LED notifications you will be receiving. So I guess that was pretty much it I wanted to tell you about Notify Buddy app. Let's move on. The second app is called Caffeine, but before actually open it, let me show you the one small detail. And as you know, in the display settings, in the screen timeout section, the maximum value that you can choose is 10 minutes, but actually this Caffeine app allows you to set up an infinite timer for the time that is needed for the screen to be in idle and afterwards for it to turn off. In order to change that, you can just open up the Caffeine app, look for the timeout section, it's usually right on the top, and choose any interval that you would like. In my case, I set up an infinite screen timeout, which is very cool. So the screen will not turn off even if it will be idle for an eternity. So that's cool, I think. The app also has a bunch of different settings that you can play with. So you just download the app and customize it up to your liking. And basically we are moving on to the third app, which I wanted to show you guys today. It is called Stick Around app. Basically what this app allows you to do is that if you're going to see some movie, even if the movie is brand new and it's only showed in the movie theaters and you bought the tickets to it, it allows you to see whether this movie has the after credit scene or during the credit scene, or even both. So let's say I've bought the tickets for the new Batman movie and I want to know whether it is worth for me to stay after the actual movie has finished to see any kind of after the credit or during the credit scene. All I gotta do is just find this movie in the app. So since this movie is fairly new, it is on the main page. I'll just go ahead and tap on it, and yep, the app says that there are no additional scenes and I should not stay after the actual movie will end. And for example, let me find some movie that will actually have them. Let's see this one. Oh, yep, Tone in Red movie. It is worth to stay after the end of the movie to see the both during the credit scenes and after the credit scenes. Also, this app has allows you to search for any particular app that you would like to check. For example, let me search for some recent film, let's say Dune, right? All right. So yep. The app says that the Dune has not have any additional scenes, neither during the credits nor after the credits, which I can confirm. So that was it, not only for this app but for the video in whole. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, I guess. Bye bye.